In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create different types of reports. You will learn to configure report settings, apply filters, and generate results efficiently. In the sidebar menu, click on Reports. To create a report, click on Add New. Enter the title for your new report to identify it clearly. Select the Contacts option as the data source for your report. Then choose the report type, Pivot Table Report. Choose the two columns to include in your report for detailed analysis. You can add one or multiple filters. Once you complete adding the information and filters, click on Finish, and the report results will be displayed. You can filter the report by dates. You can click on any number, which will give you a list of contacts for that result in another tab. To edit a report, from the list of actions, choose Edit. From the Report Type drop-down list, choose Count Report. And for Count Report, we have the option only to add one column. For our example, I'll keep Program as the value of this column. You can also apply filters to this report. And once complete, you can click on Finish. This provides a visual representation of the report in addition to the table counts. You can click on any number in the table to view the list of students for that result. From the report page, click on Actions, then Edit Report. Edit the report type to List Report. Apply the required filters, and once complete, click Finish to produce the report result. This tutorial guided you through creating, editing, and filtering various report types, including pivot table, count, and list reports. You can now generate customized reports and view detailed data to support your analysis needs.